Yo, what up, gang? Hey, it's your boy Charlie 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. Today's video is something about the back end of the chargers right here. From the ScatPacks to the RTs, maybe the V6s, the Hellcats, you know. Let me go reverse that back. From the Hellcats to the ScatPacks to the RTs to the V6s. I got these tools right here. You already can figure with the tools, the thumbnail, the title, all of above, right? Throw those out there, not tools. What your boy Charlie 17 got right here, huh? What your boy got right there? What? What's that? What's that? Let me have to get in this here. Right here. Let me set this up. Let me set you guys up. I don't think you guys know. Hold on, let me turn this back on. Got these wonderful 5-inch tips. Got a little sticker over here. Carven sticker right here. Got a little sticker. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on this to show you guys. I got this right here. Ooh, look at that. Yo, I think I need to put some gloves on. Put some gloves on. But it doesn't matter because it's already treated, powder coated black. Yo, look at this. I got my fucking fist in here, y'all. Look at this shit. Yo, look at this. The last time I stuck my fist in a pipe like this is when I was doing a car review on a pickup truck. I ain't gonna tell y'all which video. You gonna have to go back and check. But I got my whole fist in here. And these are 5-inch tips, y'all. 5-inch tips. Your boy can stick his fist in there. Barely got room. My knuckle here, here, and here rubbing. All 3 spots are rubbing. Look at that. Look at that. I can keep doing this all day. This is like some cool stuff right here. Got my hand sticking in my tips right there. Now I'm gonna take off the factory one. Compare it, the size difference and everything. Yo, it's sunny as a mug out here. Feel good out here. Why not do it out here? Right? Set you guys there. It's two tips. They come in a wonderful, nice box. I don't know if it's wonderful. I'm just saying it's wonderful. You know. Come in this nice box they got for it. They ship through FedEx, so it was a nice long wait for these. Nice long wait. Look. Let me see. Ooh. And your boy got his fingers in there. And check that out. Tip fingers on that ball. Tip fingers on that ball. Tip fingers on that. Yo, he's like a party right here. It's a party with the tips in my hand, y'all. Party with the tips in my hand. So, I'm gonna prop the camera up to a spot for you guys to see me taking them off. You know, you need it's not hitting the ground, nothing, y'all. The tools you need a 13 millimeter socket and stuff. It's the tool you need. You can use a power drill, which are extended with this here on it. I'm choosing to use this because I only have my car since August. Almost gonna be close to a year, but we're not even close to August yet, so it's still a ways to go. So, fucking bugs, you know, when you're out here, the bugs, you know, bugs. Got your rubber mat. I ain't without to go buy it. I've been had this for a while. So, freaking little. So that's the thing about spring and summer, y'all. Winter, you ain't had to worry about no bugs outside. That's why I was outside trying to do most of the stuff outside. But things don't come right away. So, of course, I'm gonna set you guys up where you can see me taking both tips off, installing both tips on. So, if I gotta use this, you're gonna see me using it. If not, it's just me unbolting and bolting these on, placing them in. Like I said, I probably ain't gonna really show the, probably ain't gonna show the name of them on the back, because really, I don't really gotta probably show the name. I'm gonna show you how my how you call this, rear diffuser, how this rear diffuser look. It's the carbon fiber rear diffuser. I'm gonna show you guys right here in the video, right here. As you hear, that motorcycle's tearing it up out there. So as you see, the rear diffuser hard up. It comes, this part sticks out. Oh, camera, I'm holding you by one leg. This comes out over. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see. You guys are gonna see the process, but for his installment, I'm gonna speed it up. Ain't gonna be too big. I'm gonna just speed it up. Yeah, and go from there. So pretty much I'm gonna set you guys up right here. You guys are gonna watch me do it. I'm gonna start getting down to the ground. You guys is gonna watch. I'm gonna set you guys so you can see both sides. Yeah, you guys gonna be good sitting right there. Like I said, I'm gonna start on this side, the driver's side, the best side. Look, I lay on my stomach to do it. You know your boy ain't 100% a mechanic and everything, so you know. Excuse me how I'm getting over here. Whew. Whoa. I said I was gonna put gloves on, but what the hell. This one, it's the factory weird little style. It's pretty much, nah, look at that. Look at that size difference, y'all. Look at that size difference. Can't stick your fist in there. I'll say it's probably like a 3.5, I would say, maybe. And then look at this, how this go. Big size difference, y'all. Look at that. Big size difference. Hold it back. Look at that size difference. Now the cool part is, you just gotta bolt it back in. Wait. Pause in this video right here, y'all. What the heck I'm doing? I ain't do a co-start or a comparison with the tip on there. Yes. What is I'm halfway in the mother video, y'all. Take this right off. Get over here.
How you just forgot the co-start?
I was ahead of myself, y'all. Ahead of myself.
You just thought about that, Dad?
thinking? Boy, I gotta love my video. I didn't tighten that side up, just in case I gotta situate, because I gotta install that side. But I'll give you guys a nice look. Parents right there. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. Hold on, watch out, Jeremiah.
Alright.
That side versus that side. You see the size difference? Looks really good. Looks really good. It's on there, pretty nice and flush and everything. See how it looks, y'all?
Whoa.
Finished product, both is on, nice. So you guys want to hear? Let's start up.
Let's give it a rub. Some more. Some more. Alright guys. That's your boy. Charger 17 3.0. okay.
Install my video. Install my tips, my 5-inch tips on there. The 5-inch tips. Looks pretty nice. It looks real nice and flush back there. Everything looks good. It looks good. And it's, guess what? Like I said, ain't nothing chrome back there. Just that ScatPack logo on there. Just the ScatPack logo. Just look at that.
With the lights on.
Just the ScatPack logo, that's it. Like it. Ain't nothing chrome really. No chrome. I got them racing stripes on. Everything looking good. Big tip. Big tires. Rear diffuser. The back end is all done, complete. What do we say, y'all? It's 2021. We going up. You already know everybody's going up in 2021.
Subscribe.
Definitely hit that. What you say? Let them know, son.
Subscribe, leave a like.
Hold on, let me back out your face. Do it again.
Subscribe, like the button.
You heard the little man. He said hit that subscribe, share, like, and comment. Free will, you know. Definitely share these videos.
Comment like it's cool. You can say anything.
I'm make sure before I'm all done putting the stuff away, I'm gonna make sure everything is completely tight before it's all done. Yo, and it's it, y'all. We out. You already know to do it. That like, subscribe, comment.